Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error Windows volume not working. Chapter 1. Windows volume not working, fix running Troubleshooter. To start, enter Troubleshoot in the search. Click on Troubleshoot Other Problems. Now in the audio section, click on Run. After this, click Yes to grant permission. Then wait for the solver to perform the necessary checks that will help you gain access to the mixer. Chapter 2. Windows volume not working, fix restarting Windows Explorer. To start, right-click on the Start menu, click on Task Manager. Now select Windows Explorer, after that click on Restart Task. You can see the environment reset. Hope everything returns to normal. Chapter 3. Windows volume not working, fix checking audio service. To begin, enter Services in the search. Click on Services. After this, select the Windows Audio service. After that, double-click on it. Now in the field Startup type, use the automatic option. Click Apply and OK. Then with the Windows Audio service selected, click Restart. Chapter 4. Windows volume not working, fix from console. To start, right-click on the Start menu, select Terminal Admin, click Yes to access. Now in the console, execute the command on the screen. Press Enter. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Now click on Advanced. Here, validate that the Apply Repairs automatically option is active. Click on Next. You need to wait for the utility to do all the necessary analysis and corrections. He may ask you some questions. Wait for it to finish. Chapter 5. Windows volume not working, fix resetting the mixer. To start, click on the Start menu, click on Settings. Now in System, click on Sound. Then go down a little and click on Volume Mixer. After that, click on Reset. Chapter 6. Windows volume not working, fix anchoring the mixer. First, right-click on Start, select Run. In the window, enter the command Sndvol.exe. Click OK. When you do, Right-click on the axis in the taskbar. Click on Pin to Taskbar. Chapter 7. Windows volume not working, fix disabling exclusive use. To start, right-click on the audio icon. After that, click on Sound Settings. Now at the bottom, click on More Sound Settings options. After this, select the device, click on Properties. Then on the Advanced tab, uncheck the Allow Applications to take exclusive control of this device box. Then click on Apply and OK. Chapter 8. Windows volume not working, fix restoring the system. To begin, in the search, enter Restore. Click Create a Restore Point. Then click on System Restore. After that, select the desired restore point. Then validate the changes. Then click Finish, and you must wait for the process to complete. Chapter 9. Windows volume not working, fix ending the process. To start, right-click on the Start menu, click on Task Manager. After this, locate and select the volume mixer process. After that, click on End Task. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.